So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito pag-ulit sa Barangay Niebra. At of course yung mga rookies natin na injured sa Rain or Shine kabola. And then ang isang NBA veteran import natin kabola, si NLEX. So hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. So ito nga muna kabola, sa UE alam naman natin that their third pick is Luis Villegas. Hindi siya makakalaro dito po sa Commissioner's Cup kasi magpapagaling po siya. And the guy currently that is mentoring him, believe it or not, hindi po si Bo Belga, no? Kundi itong si James Yap, because of their connection as UE alumni kabola. So yun po yung nagko-connecta sa dalawang to. And of course, legend, no? Itong si James Yap sa UE, kaya naman hindi rin nakakapagtaka na siya po yung nakakausap ngayon itong si Villegas. Pero di ko lang alam, no? Kung ano po yung mame-mentor niya ba dito. Magkaiba naman sila ng posisyon. Maybe more of the way the PBA's runs, of course, other things po. Pero overall, dun sa mismong play ng bata, I think minimal lang yung may tutulong dyan nitong si James Yap kabola. Thomas Robinson po kabola, pinay down po yung expectation ka sa kanya. Siyempre, of course, siya po yung coach na may pinamataas po na expectation, knowing na siya po ay number 5 pick. Pero sabi nga niya dito po sa statement niya, that was 13 years ago. Sobrang tagal na yan. Pero nevertheless, fans are still excited to watch him. And in reality naman, yung dahilan kung bakit po siya na-draft dati as the number 5 pick, nandun pa rin naman, kabola, di ba? He's still very, very explosive, kabola. He's still very, very active, kabola. And titignan natin if the combination of those two will make him unstoppable dito po sa PBA. And of course, he really wants to lead NLEX to the championship. And I do believe that he has the right guys around him to win. Meron silang legit na big three. Na ito nga pong si Don Troliano, Kevin Alas, at dito pong si Brandon Roser kabola. And then dito muna tayo sa mga comments before natin pag-usapan yung explosive na yan. Regarding po ito sa Redis post natin na Converge Fiber Xers, nahihirapan po na paglaruin itong si Mac Talio because the PBA is pushing that he should be suspended first. Sabi nitong si Plantar Fasciatis, at same sila ni Enrico Villas. Takot lang MVP at SMC, yan ang katunayan. Takot SMC at MVP sa Converge. So, more fans, especially siguro mga fans po ng Converge, nagsasabi na takot ang San Miguel Corporation at MVP Group currently sa Converge. Baka dapat ba silang matakot dito? Away, depende kasi yan, di ba? In terms of sports competition, of course, lahat ng ibang teams dapat matakot ka kasi kakompete mo yan for the championship. Pero, of course, we're talking about the control of the league. Of course, Converge has what it takes to take a big share of the control of the league. Hindi lang kasi pera yung kanila, kundi nandun yung political power din, knowing that they are under the leadership po nitong si Governor Delta Pineda kabola. Hindi na pagtataka talaga, nakakatakutan nila or may takot itong SMC as MVP dito nga po kay Governor Delta and then sa Converge kabola. And of course, I want to talk about the statement po of ni Ricky Vargas, no? The Governor po of TNT nung naglalaro si Chris Newsom sa Gilas in the Asian Cup. Natatakot na nga ako baka lumipat ng Ginebra si Chris Newsom. So may dahilan ba, no, para po matakot itong si Ricky Vargas na lumipat si Chris Newsom? Actually meron po, kasi si Chris Newsom will become an unrestricted free agent at the end of his contract. Kasi papasok na po siya dun sa rule na pag 7 years ka na dito po sa PBA, at the end of that contract, every time na po mag-end yan, magiging unrestricted ka niya. And there are signs, there are statements by Chris Newsom na talaga naman po na magpapanereviews po sa management ng Meralco. Like this one, Chris Newsom thrilled to be on the same side as Brownlee for a change, diba? Kasi of course, matagal po na siya yung nagpahirap, siya yung dahilan kaya hindi po makapag kampyon itong si Meralco under the leadership, of course, in terms of local ni Chris Newsom. Kaya naman talaga naman, baka gusto na niyang maging teammate itong si Justin Brownlee. And then another one is the statement po that he cherishes his time under the tutelage po nitong si Coach Tim Cone kabola. And of course, talagang he really gave outstanding po na praises dito kay Coach Tim Cone that led them to the gold. At worth it din naman yon. Kaya kung ikaw yung player, of course gustuin mo maglaro para sa isang coach na kinabibiliban mo. So ikaw baka ba sa palagay mo, pupunta ba sa Ginebra si Chris Newsom? Comment lang po sa baba.